One really cool thing about Flash is that you aren't always restricted to using certain safe fonts so that your movies display properly. If you've done much HTML publishing, you'll be aware of this limitation. In HTML, we have to stick to the default fonts that are installed by people's operating systems. We don't have to worry so much with Flash. However, at times, especially when we use dynamic and input text, we do sometimes need to embed the font outlines in the Flash movie so it behaves properly. One big example of this is when we try to set an alpha value on a movie clip containing dynamic text. Try this yourself. Take a block of dynamic text and turn it into a movie clip. Again, I'm hitting F8 for this. We'll make it a movie clip, hit OK, and apply an alpha value of, say, 30%. It looks fine in the Flash authoring tool, but try exporting it using Control and Test Movie. Now we see a different story. The alpha setting is completely ineffective. Furthermore, have a look at the aliasing, or jaggy edges. This is why we sometimes need to embed fonts. And we do this by selecting the text and hitting the Embed button here. Now the problem with this is that it makes the file size bigger because the font outlines have to be included with the file. The key to dealing with this, though, is to only embed the glyphs that you need. As you can see, embedding every one in the file, in this case, would add over 39,000 glyphs, and we may only need a few, so I'll often embed, say, just the lowercase ones. In this file, that's only 27 glyphs, and it won't make a huge difference. So for your work, the best thing to do is to select only what you need, and then test the movie and check the file size. If you're happy with it, then there's no problem. And that's it for embedding fonts. Let's move on.